As a solopreneur, you have a lot more stuff to do. The smaller your business is, the less resources you have, the less team you have, the less opportunity you have, the less solutions you can actually provide. The more revenue you have, the more choices you have, the more people you can pull in, the more solutions you can deliver, the better resources you can actually invest in, and you can deliver a better quality outcome. And if you exist to deliver, to do nonprofit work, to do ministry work, to do things that are changing people's lives and that who are less fortunate, then the number one thing you absolutely need is a profitable business. One that is running, one that is producing revenue at scale. You want to, again, I want you to have all the systems, tools, resources, and strategies to be able to do this stuff. And then you can decide that you don't want to. But not because you haven't made the choices, not because you haven't taken the responsibility to sharpen your skill sets, to bring on the right experts around you, to let your brain do the work instead of always doing it with your hands. Get other people's hands to do the work. Let your brain flow. Let your heart connect. Right? Let your intuition flow. Dive into strategy, systems, process.